Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to disconnect your QuickBooks Online file from SaasAnt. In my case, I have SaasAnt and I have 3 seats. Earlier, I disconnected an account incorrectly and I had to get support to help me. So I thought I would just disconnect it correctly, follow the instructions I was provided, so that nobody else gets stuck doing what I did. I have the 3-seat plan. So 3 seats, 1 available slot, 2 slots used. The slot that I'm going to disconnect right now is the Gentle Frog Ledger file. So I've connected this to QuickBooks Ledger, the account file that I've creatively called Gentle Frog Ledger. What I want to do is remove from premium billing. Let me show you what I did, which was incorrect. Don't do what I did. I came over here. I went to the left-hand side of my screen. I went to apps and then I went to overview. I came to here and I said, I want to disconnect it. I just want to disconnect SaasAnt. Surely that should be okay. It turns out it's not okay. What I did was I disconnected a different file and then I had to get on with support chat. So I'm just going to run through this. Support said, hey, log into your QuickBooks, log into SaasAnt. And I'm like, well, I've already disconnected it. And so we verify that I'm the owner, verify which file I want to disconnect from my premium billing. What Pooja said was, before disconnecting the company from QuickBooks, you need to do the following steps. You need to click on the gear icon. So it's the gear icon for SaasAnt. You want to go down to billing. That's where I'm currently at. You want to click on the multi-company billing option. So, I don't have a multi-company billing option. It just puts me where I want to be. Let me show you. I'm going to take you to the dashboard. So if we go here, if we go to billing, so no problem. It says to click on the tab. I don't have a tab. Click on remove premium billing to remove the company. That's what I want to do. So down here, I connected the ledger file January 15th. I'm just going to say remove premium billing. Do you want to remove it? I'll say yes. Oh, I can only do it if it's been after 30 days. Well, that's fine. What is today? Today's the 17th. This one, I connected December 7th. I'm recording the video on January 17th, so I can remove this one. So remove from premium billing. Okay. Has been added. I don't know why it pops up this morning, because it definitely was added more than 30 days ago. But we can see that it's now disconnected. So let me close my help. What I want you to see is I have paid for 3 spots and I now have 2 available and only 1 is used. So this is going to be useful in cases like mine where you're disconnecting and reconnecting. If you're working on a project, maybe you have a couple of spots available in your SaasAnt account. When you finish the project, you just need to disconnect because you don't need it any longer. So in my case, the whole reason I'm doing this is because I want to connect a different file. So I'll make a different video to connect the file. I just wanted to show you how to disconnect it from the premium billing, just in case you do what I did, which is disconnect it the wrong way and have to get on with chat support. Okay, if my team or I can help you with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.